Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the today's video, we will be continuing with the more questions regarding fundamentals. The first question over here is a partner can easily transfer his share to anyone, including his family members, which is wrong. A partner cannot transfer his share without the consent of all of the partners. He need to get the consent of other partners, only then he can transfer his share. The next question is assertion. Profit sharing is not must in the partnership form of organization, which is a wrong statement. Profit sharing is must for a partnership form of organization. If it is an NGO or charity, that will never be termed as partnership form. And the reason for the same given in the question is it is not necessary under partnership that the profit sharing should be equal. So the main point over reason is correct. The reason is correct. Why? Because under partnership firm it is necessary that profit sharing should be there. It could be in any of the ratio, it could be equal or any other given ratio. The next question is interest on partners loan will be paid at the rate 6% per annum whether the firm is in profit or loss. Yes, it is correct if the deed is silent, and this rate is applicable for both the loans, whether the loan given by the partner to the firm or loan given by the firm to the partner. So this part of statement is wrong. What is this part of statement? Why this is wrong? Because only the loan which is given by the partner to the firm is given interest at the rate 6% per annum if the deed is silent. Okay, now under which section a minor can be admitted to the partnership firm only for the benefits with the consent of all other partner, that is under section 30. Then P&L appropriation account is a nominal account. You know, nominal account debit all losses and expenses, credit all incomes and gains. Then which of the following is not the right of the partner? Right to retire, yes, they have a right to retire from the firm. Right to share profits, yes, it is also their right. Right to inspect the books of account, yes, it is also their right. Right to share the losses of the firm, no, it is not their right, rather it is their duty to share the losses of the firm. So thank you, Accountitude. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.